Hi everyone, this is Victor Pandian. I'll be the instructor for you this session. Hello everyone, my name is Victor Pandian. So in this session we are going to learn about how to create a video advertisement, that is video ads, using Google Ads. Now what is video ads and where all can we see that? So we can see the first one is on your YouTube. Okay, if you have your mobile phone, on your mobile phone, on your YouTube, you can see that advertisement. If you're using a smart television, smart TV, on your television, on your YouTube part, at the top, or whenever you're watching a video, in between you'll be able to see an advertisement. The one advertisement which you see quite often at the top of the screen, that we call it as must ad. For that I've created another video how to create campaign on that. You can view that one. Now when we talk about video ads, let's take an example. So I have got subscribed to Learn Digital Academy. If I play this video over here, now can you see this at the top? This we call it as skippable advertisement. Can you see? I can skip it. Who is promoting is Tabula. Now this is an advertisement which we are going to create it now on a YouTube. So for that we need an account on Google Ads. So please sign up with your Google Ads. So you can see it you can see this advertisement on your YouTube. You can see this advertisement on Google Partner Network also, where Google is partnered up with a lot of display advertisers. Okay, and you can also see it in your Play Store also, on your mobile app also. Okay, whenever you're using a mobile app, in between you might have observed as a small pop-up over there. So that we call it as video ads. Now this is not specifically for YouTube but also Google Partner Network. Now let's create it. Now let's click upon new campaign. Now this time I will not focus on search. I'll be focusing on YouTube. And here my goal is sales, but not going to select this sales. Instead I'll be selecting an option called create a campaign without a goal guidance. Now if you click upon this option, you will be having an extra option, that is local. So we'll be looking into video campaign. Let's click upon video. The first option says select a campaign subtype. So here you have an option called custom video campaign. Now what is custom video campaign? You'll be able to customize your own settings, your own budget with skippable in-stream ads, bumper ads, or video discovery ads. So we have multiple ad formats like in-stream, bumper, and video discovery ads. The next advertisement is non-skippable in-stream ads. Now share your entire message with up to 15 seconds non-skippable in-stream ads, where your viewers cannot skip the advertisement for 15 seconds. Then the next one is outstream. Now what is the difference between in-stream and outstream? In-stream is within your YouTube channel, we call it as in-stream. Apart from your YouTube channel, if you're seeing the advertisement on other platform, we are considering that as a outstream one. Can you see that? Reach people on their smartphones, tablets using viewable CPM bidding with outstream ads. The next option is if you want to drive more conversion looking at your video, you'll be selecting this as your subtype campaign. Get more conversion with video ads designed to encourage valuable interaction. Now there are two kind of impression, guys. One is viewable impression, other one is impression. Impression, the customer do not take any action on your video, but viewable impression, customer will take an action on that, where more conversion happens. So for that you'll be selecting this option. The next one is ad sequencing. It is a beautiful one where what happens. Tell your story by showing ads in a particular sequence, okay, to individual viewers with a skippable in-stream ads, non-skippable in-stream ads, bumper ads, or combination. Multiple ad format is available on ad sequence. Now if I'm watching a video on my YouTube, on the starting of a video I might have got an introduction to Tabula, the example what we saw. During that video only, in between, in the middle of that video, I will get another part, the second part of that advertisement. I will skip it again, or I cannot skip it. At the last of that same video, I might get the ending of that advertisement. So this we call it as ad sequence. It could be on the same it could be on the same video, or it could be on the multiple video, whichever I watch. That we call it as ad sequencing. The last one is shopping ads. We have to create a video. So when we select the shopping ads, you should have data on your Google Merchant Center, and you have to link it with your Google Ads account, so that the data will be taken from your Google Merchant Center, the image or the product. Now we'll be able to create the campaign over here. Alright. So all we need to do is, first thing, let's scroll up, click upon the custom video campaign, where customize your own setting with the in-stream skippable ads. So let me scroll down and continue. Let's create a sample campaign now. So I'm creating a demo campaign. So let me scroll down. So bid strategy that is available for me is CPV, or targeted CPM. Now what is CPV? Cost per view. Can you see this? With CPV, cost per view, you set the most that you are willing to pay for each time that your ad is viewed. Just viewed. Okay. You can create skippable in-stream ad or discovery ad with this bid strategy. Now let me click upon CPM. Now with CPM, cost per 1000 impression, you set the average amount that you are willing to pay for every 1000 time that your ad is shown. From the target CPM you set, we will optimize bids to help get as much as unique reach possible. Some impressions may cost more or less depending upon my target. So you can focus on whichever strategy you want. So let me focus on cost per view. Per view, I'm ready to spend certain money. So enter the budget type and amount. Do you want to focus on the entire campaign? Let's say I'm going to create the campaign for 7 days, 10 days. Now I'll be putting certain money the whole of the campaign. So per day, let's say 100 rupees I'm spending. Just an example. For 10 days, if I'm triggering the campaign, I'll put here the entire campaign total will be 1000 rupees. Okay. Now what if I set a daily budget? I'm just typing that it's not a campaign budget, it's just a daily budget. So whenever I want to increase it, I have an option of doing that. So per day, I'll be spending around, let's say 2000 rupees. I'm ready to spend 2000 rupees per day. Okay. Now, can you see the weekly estimate? What I'm going to get is 8 billion plus weekly impressions. Then after that, if you scroll down, here you need to set a start date and end date. When you want to start the campaign and when you're planning to end your campaign. Right? Let's scroll down even more. Now what is the next thing that we have to do? Can you see the network option here? If you click on this option, you have YouTube search result, YouTube videos, video partner on display network. So suppose if you're focusing only on YouTube, you don't want to show your advertisement on any other platform, okay, any other platform or vendor's website or any other app, you need to uncheck this. You will not, your advertisement will not be shown to in that areas. Now what will happen if you uncheck it? There are high chances your impression might go down. Okay. So right now I'll be focusing only on YouTube, nowhere else. Then after that, what we have to do, let me scroll down even more down. So enter a particular location where you are targeting. So here this time I'll be focusing only on my Bangalore. Target Bangalore. Okay. I'll be able to show my advertisement to this location only. The next one is language. So this is a YouTube video. Suppose if you are creating a local language video, okay, it could be Hindi, Kannada or any other local regional languages, you'll be selecting that option there. So I'll be selecting by default English. So let me scroll down there. Content exclusion, define where your ads can show. Okay, I will be excluding the content. So here we have inventory type and we have excluded types and labels. Now let's click upon inventory type and let me scroll down. Now can you see guys, my impression got down. 1.4 billion is now. It is showing 1.4 billion. Cute. Now what is the next thing that we have to do? Inventory type. Select an inventory type to show your advertisement on the content that's right for your brand. Now the first one says expanded inventory. Now what is expanded inventory? It will maximize your available inventory by showing advertisement on some sensitive content. Okay. Example, excessive profanity. A lot of rough language, foul languages are spoken by people. Okay. On YouTube. Let's say I'm watching a video which is having those content in it. Okay. Do you want to show your advertisement to me now? Imagine, so think, you have to think one thing, like you have to understand like what is my mindset, guys. Okay, I'll be totally in a different mood. I'm in a fight scene, I'm totally into this fight and rough languages related content. Now you are promoting your services over there. Do you think I will entertain your advertisement? I might not. The next option is graphic sexuality and nudity. Okay, obviously as the name say, nudity and sexuality 18 plus. Now for that, your customers will be totally in a different mindset. Okay, they are totally in a different mood. I cannot convince that customer promoting my services. You know how emergency that particular person and how important that this video will be for him. Yeah, I will not show my advertisement to him in this part. So here it says expanded inventory. So maximize available inventory by showing ads on the some sensitive content. The next one is limited inventory, that is standard inventory. Sorry, standard inventory is the next option. Shows ads on the content that's appropriate for most of the brand. Repeated strong profanity, strong sexual content and discussion of sex, violation either real or dramatized. Do you want to focus on this? Google always recommend this, guys. The next one is limited, moderate profanity, moderate sexuality, suggestive content. Okay. Now, do you want to show your advertisement over here? I would recommend, Google is recommending this one. I would recommend the limited inventory. Okay. After that, let me scroll down. Compare inventory type. So you have lot of detailed description about the exclusion, what you have done, inclusion, what you have done. Right. The next one, what we have is exclude types and labels. Now, opt out for showing your advertisement on content that doesn't fit your brand. Now, whenever a movie is being released on the theater, so at the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see 13 plus, 18 plus, UA, right? Now, what are those? Those are the certificate for those videos, for those movies. Similar way, whenever you're promoting your content on internet, on your YouTube, is that content relevant for the all the users or a specific users? Let's say you're promoting adult related content, inners. Okay, now this inners, can a kid watch it? Because whenever you're creating a campaign for inners, it will be more glamorized, right? So do you want to show this advertisement for your audience, for a kid especially, or is it suitable for the general audience? That you have to think, and you'll be selecting the option. The first option over here says embedded videos. Now what is embedded videos? Now let's take an example here. Now this is the video which I want to embed on my website. If you click upon the share option, you'll be having an option called embed. Okay, this code you'll be copying and pasting it on a website. Now when a user is coming to your website and is playing this video, on that embedded video, do you want to show your advertisement? Yes or no? That you have to mark it over here. So like that, a lot of videos will be embedded on the several websites. On those websites, do you want to show your advertisements or no? That is your embed videos. Next one is live streaming. So a lot of people, they do live streaming on YouTube. On that, do you want to show your advertisement? You have to, if you don't want to show it, you have to mark it. If you want to show it, don't mark it. Similar way, you have the digital content label towards your right side. Okay, so here select a digital content label to exclude. If you don't want to show to the general audience, you have to select this option. I will not show to my general audience if it is a adult related content advertisement. Similar way, most audience with parental guidance. Okay, parental guidance is required for your advertisement. You have to select this option. Is it suitable for teenagers or not? Select or deselect. So by default, content not yet label will be selected because the content will not have any names or tags. So you just need to select that option. The next one, what we have to do, if you scroll down, you'll be having additional settings. Now here we have conversion. So for that, we have to understand, we have to set a conversion tracking in the account level. So I'll be selecting this option. The first option says use the account level account level include in conversion settings. Okay, I'll teach you how to do this conversion in the conversion class. Now for now I'll be choosing a conversion tracking. Choose conversion action for this campaign. So let me click upon this. So calls from the smart campaign contact. So I had created for several campaigns. So let me click upon contact now for learning purpose. Let me click upon save. I'll teach you how this process works on the conversion session. So let me scroll down. Conversion is just tracking how the things are getting converted for you people. The next one is devices. So here devices show on all devices or specifically device. So let me click upon specific device. Do you want to show your advertisement for the computer, mobile, tablet and TV screens? So I feel customer cannot take up an action on television. So I'll uncheck it. I can save my cost over there also. If you're really budget friendly, I would recommend you guys to go on this option. Select that option as well. Now can you see that my impression is getting even more down? Now let me scroll down. Now here I have even more beautiful one, advanced targeting option, mobile phones and tablets. If you click upon this option, if you click upon Android, okay, so let's click this. Can you see here the Android series range? 2.1, 3.1, all the series range till this range. So I can set a range over here, or if BlackBerry, iOS. So basically you're selecting the operating system what your users are using, guys. The next one is we have device model, detailed targeting. Under Android we have several phones, several mobile phone model. Can you see here Acer and Asus, and you have Docomo, all the mobiles. Okay, now why we are doing this? Suppose if I'm creating a campaign for a mobile app, okay, that app is specifically for Android users, and that app is even more specific for Lenovo users. So I have to detailedly target it. I don't have to focus on other campaigns. I don't have to focus on other devices. So that is detailed targeting, guys. The next one is even more beautiful, network. If you click upon, first one is option is Wi-Fi. The second option is India, that is your mobile data network. So ASL, Airtel, BSNL, you can precisely select that. So this campaign is useful for when you're focusing on MNPs, mobile number portability, you can select that. Not only that, the people are using for multiple things. The next one what we have is frequency capping. Limit how many times that ad is in this campaign can be shown to the same user. The first option says cap frequency, cap impression frequency, cap view frequency. Now what is impression? Limit how many times that the ad in the campaign can show to the same user. Just show it, okay, just view it. So in a day, let me show it for, let's say, 5 times. Okay, frequency per day or per week or per month. That means in a day I'll be showing my advertisement for the same user 5 times, or in a week I'll be showing for 5 times, or in a month I'll be showing for 5 times. So keep it minimum. Let me keep it 2 days in a day, 2 times in a day. The next one what we have is cap view frequency. In this cap view frequency, what will happen? Limit how many times that ads in the campaign can get view or interaction. This is impression, guys. This is view and interaction. The customer will be doing certain interaction. So YouTube, Google will make sure that you do certain action on that advertisement. Okay. So here I want to say 2 times to the same user per day. The same thing. Okay. Now can you see the impression here? 1030 million impressions for you people. Let's scroll down. Now schedule. When you want to schedule this campaign, so let me focus on Sunday, Saturdays because it is YouTube. Okay, Sunday, Saturday. So let me keep it 24 hours. I want to create campaign for 24 hours, guys. Okay, so let me scroll down. Now what is the next thing I have to do? I have to create an ad group now. Ad group demo. Now here people who you want to reach. Let's click on demographic now. Here I have males and females. Suppose if you're selling a Fair and Lovely, you'll be targeting females. If you're selling a beard oil, you'll be targeting males. Just an example. The next one is age group. Now, which age group of people they'll be buying your product? 18 to 24, 25 to 34, like that you have to precisely select the age group. The next option what we have is parental status. Are you a parent or you are single? You'll be selecting that option here. Towards your right, you have household income. Now, what is top 10%? The top richest people. Suppose if I'm selling a Jaguar, whom will I target? Jaguar car. I'll be targeting the top 10% household income people. Now, suppose if I'm selling a digital marketing training, I can focus on everyone because everyone needs digital marketing training over here, right? So, next one is if we scroll down, we have audiences. So like we saw it in search campaign, you have to precisely select your audience or you can create a new list. Let me scroll down here. So people who are interested in social media, enthusiastic, or people who are interested in advertising and marketing. See, if you keep on selecting this, what will happen to your weekly estimate? It will keep on narrowing down. Now, can you see from 37 million, it has got reduced to 9.7 million, guys. Okay, so this we call it as detailed targeting. Then after that, let me scroll down. So here we have keywords. Let me click upon keywords, and here we have, so what we can do, either you can focus on Google Keyword Planner and copy the data, copy the keyword and paste it here. The second option is just come to this particular place and look for the keywords called digital marketing. Now, why we are adding keywords? Whenever your customer is coming to YouTube and looking for this set of keyword, your advertisement will be shown. Now, observe here 37 million impression. I'm just taking this as an example, the first one. Internet marketing course. Can you see I have got from million to only 430k impression I am getting. Let me add one more. So this is an average, guys. Same 430. Let me add few more. So what does this mean? Can you see the relevancy here? That means your keyword, whatever you're given here, you have the relevancy over there. Based on that, when people are searching for these content on YouTube, on that video, your advertisement will be shown. Okay, from 430k to it has increased to 730k. But you have to understand this importance of this keyword. Okay, so right now I'm not adding any of this keyword for my video campaign. It is 37 millions now. Then after that, if you scroll down, you have topics here. Let me click upon topics. What topic your customer are searching actively on the internet? Okay, people interested in arts and entertainment. Okay, let me click even more down. Celebrities and entertainment news, comics and animation. When people are looking for these topics on internet, your advertisement will be shown. Now let me select people who are looking for movies. So let me click upon that drop down. So here we have general like action and adventure movies, animated films. In this, I'll be precisely selecting and I'll be targeting. Now can you see the impression is even more getting down? So I'll not select them as well. It's not that you have to select or don't have to select, like you have to understand who is your customer and whom you are targeting, what kind of content that they'll be looking on YouTube. The next one is placement, where you have to place your advertisement. This is so beautiful, guys. The first option, what you have to do, just type here digital marketing and look for the channels and videos. So here you have YouTube channels. So let me click upon this. So these are the YouTube channel which is talking about digital marketing. So what I have to do, can you see the number of subscribers here and number of videos which they have? So do you want to show your advertisement over there? Now what does this mean? These people, they quite often keep on adding the videos to the YouTube. Okay. Now there is no weekly estimate for this if I detailedly target these guys. But it is good if you feel like conversion can happen. If I click on this videos, that is channels, you can do that. The next option what we have is videos. Can you see that the impression is back to 37 million. Now again, I want to show my advertisement in this digital marketing for beginners 7 strategy. So I want to show here only. So please observe here, there is no weekly estimate for this. I have to broaden it. Google is suggesting to broaden it. So I will not select that option as well. The next one what we have is video lineup. Now what is video lineup? Now if I go to my YouTube, I'll be looking into some video. Can you see the lineups towards my right side? This we call it as video lineups. Do you want to show there? When someone is looking for digital marketing, there is no lineup as of now. Okay, if you want to show it over there, yes, you can show it. By default, it will be selected. You have to show your advertisement over there, so that they can get to your video inside that video. Inside that video, you can show your advertisement. The next one is website. There are a lot of websites like this which is talking about digital marketing. Let's take an example of the next scoop. So let's copy this. So let's get into that. So in this channel, in this website, your advertisement will be shown, guys. Okay. So let's scroll down. Can you see this advertisements and all here? These are the advertisement, guys. Let me scroll down. These are the advertisement from SEM Rush. So let me click upon resources. So right now there is no example relevant. So what happens is in such videos, your advertisement will be placed here anywhere. So when people look into your video, they might click on that advertisement. Okay. That is the website. So I'm not selecting any website now. The next one is your app. You'll be specifically looking the app for digital marketing. So there is no app for this particular keyword. Similarly, app categories. Okay. So this is where you'll be placing. Then after that, what is the CPV that you're going to set per view? How much you are ready to spend? See, this is video advertisement. You have to be very budget friendly. So I am ready to spend 100 rupees per view. Okay. Which is pretty costly only, but conversion happens better. Top content bid adjustment. If you click upon this, enter a number and see. So let's say 10%. If I give that 10% over here, 100 rupees will become 110 rupees. Can you see that? This is the top content bid adjustment. Then after that, what you have to do, you have to look for a video where you have to promote your content. So what I have to do is, I'll copy my own channel ka video. So this video, I'll be promoting it now. So I'll just click upon share, copy it. I'll go back here. I will paste it. Yes, can you see this? This is the video. Now I can create either skippable in-stream ads or video discovery ads. Now what is video discovery ads? When someone is looking for your keyword, he will be able to discover your content over there. Now can you see the impressions here? 40 million impressions because my creative is really good. The next one is skippable in-stream ads, where on that video, inside that video, you will be able to promote it. So Google is giving, if you want to get more impression, you can focus on discovery ads. So let me focus on discovery ads. So let me set a thumbnail also like this. Then you have to focus on your headline. Learn digital marketing online. Get best courses at home. Learn. So I'm putting this for a learning purpose. SEO and ads. Okay. So just try to give few information. Then after that, you have to give an ad name for you. So I'm just giving it as ad demo. Okay. This is how my campaign will look like in the mobile devices. Let me click upon desktop. Can you see the discovery part here towards the right top? This is the discovery ad based on the keyword what you're going to search. So as YouTube search ad, this is when people search for it and you are there. YouTube related ad, when people look for the related content of your video, then your advertisement will be shown. 40 million is a weekly impression. Now once you're done with that, you have to click upon create campaign. Yes, can you see this? Congratulations, your campaign is ready. Review your campaign settings and start date and end date. I have not selected any goal. I'll be focusing on CPV, cost per view, limited inventory, and the language is English and location is Bangalore. If I scroll down over here, detailed demographic is there. Any age, any gender, all parental status, and audience will be any items, any keyword, any topics, any placement. And this is the video. Welcome to Victor Digital Marketing Training. You just need to click upon continue to campaign. Now your campaign is in pending state. Once your campaign is active, once you make the payment, once your review is done, your campaign will be triggered. So the campaign is enabled. If you click on this, you can pause it if you don't want to trigger that campaign. Then status is pending. Type of campaign is video campaign. The budget I'm going to set is 2000 rupees. If you click upon this more details, you'll be getting the more details about the campaign which you have created. You can click upon edit and settings. So let's click upon this edit in settings. So you can change the campaign name, campaign status, campaign goal, every changes you can do it over there. Okay. This is the ad group. If you click on that, this is the creative which you have created. And you can see the status of the campaign which is pending, ad type which is video discovery, impression, there is no impression, nobody has viewed it, rate, nothing. So once you trigger this, you'll be able to get all this data be populated over here. Okay. So this is all about video campaign. Okay, we saw video discovery campaign in this session. Hope this session was really informative for you. See you all soon in the next session. Thank you so much. Alright. Hope this session was very informative. So let us meet again in our next session. Thank you.